Look at that.
So
that's working.
That sound is actually... Oh, What is up guys, I'm Mike.
And I'm Nelly.
We're both travel vloggers and just got back from a trip through the Philippines. And in the Philippines we had a lot of awesome food experiences that we are trying to recreate here from Miami.
So today a few friends are coming over for dinner and we're letting them try Lechon Kawali.
Let's go. I'm a very passionate cook, and one of the things I really love to do is bring modern techniques into classic dishes. So today I did the same thing with Lechon Kawali. What I did was I cooked the meat sous vide. So I started early this morning, I made a marinade, and I've had the meat cooking in a sous vide cooker all day. Can't wait to taste that succulent, juicy meat. So we're going to be eating our Lechon Kawali with some fried rice on the side because that's all very heavy. I wanted to make a light salad that is high in acidity that'll just cut through all the fattiness of the lechon itself. So what I have here is some green apples, some snap peas, and I've got some red bell peppers, which I'm going to mix up with a little bit of soy sauce, some sesame seed oil, a few drops of fish sauce, and some freshly squeezed lime. So all I'm actually going to do is throw all these ingredients that I've chopped up already in a bowl. Just mix it up a little bit. Once you got it all in the bowl, just add your toasted sesame seed oil, a few drops of fish sauce, a few dashes of soy sauce, and then of course we have some fresh lime we're just gonna squeeze in there. Oh yes, look at that. By the way guys, we're filming this, as I mentioned, from Miami Beach, but this is literally a little dock that's attached to our building. It's really nice. We can come out here and just cook outdoors, enjoy the nice weather, which we do not have today. It's not usually this cloudy in Miami. Usually we have beautiful blue skies, but if you want to see some more beautiful videos of Miami Beach, there are a few playlists linked down below of our favorite vlogs in Miami Beach. So go check them out and leave us a comment.
Yeah, do it right now.
Also, as I said, we're travel vloggers. We didn't just visit the Philippines. In the past 2 years, we've been to over 20 countries, and we share great experiences from each country, from each location. Especially psyched about our trip that we did around Bali. Go check out all those videos. If you're new to this channel, obviously subscribe and turn on the notifications so you'll be up to date when we upload more videos of Filipino food and also of our travels around the world. Get back to the food now, right? So for all you Filipinos out there, this probably goes without saying, but for all of you not from the Philippines, we have a few condiments for the Lechon Kawali. The most important part is actually kind of a sauce mixture that has vinegar, soy sauce, chili, and garlic inside of it. Traditionally, you would use coconut vinegar, but I don't have coconut vinegar here in Miami, so I just used rice vinegar, which is also a slightly sweeter vinegar, not too intense in flavor, so it goes really nicely with it. So right now I'm just waiting for the meat to be brought down by Nelly. It's been in the sous vide cooker up there for about 7 hours. It's going to be so tender. We're going to let it cool down a little bit and then it's going into the deep fryer. Can't wait to eat lechon again. Oh, before those comments start coming, I know that Lechon Kawali is not the traditional lechon, but I believe there's no way in hell that I will be able to prepare the traditional proper lechon here in Miami because I don't have the experience, don't have the know-how, don't have the pork that I need. Forget about it, unless. Our friends have arrived and Kevin has been burnt already. Oh shoot, yeah.
This is why you do it on a dock. I'm burnt and greased and tarred and feathered. Well, it doesn't cause blindness though, so that's a good thing.
Our friend Willie has joined us as well.
I'm bringing my expert frying skills as a Puerto Rican. There's a certain certification that you have to go through in my town of Bayamon, where we are famous for chicharrón. So okay, wow. Wait. Okay.
Oh.
Wait. No, we're good. We got another one. Look at that. That char, how beautiful.
This is the problem that we had. It splashes a lot.
It's normal. It's normal. Oh, yeah. Listen to that crackle.
All you Filipinos watching, let me know, is this normal in the Philippines that your Lechon Kawali explodes, like the oil flying all over the show. He has some expert cleaning techniques here. Excellent.
See that? I just want to make sure, we want to be good neighbors. Look at that.
Nice.
It's beautiful right there. Ready for me? Expert now. Oh, bitch.
Should we put salt over it?
Nope, we have the traditional vinegar, soy sauce, and chili, garlic dip.
It reminds me of my childhood. Not really, but it's really good.
Hell yeah.
Say something.
You take a piece of your lechon kawali.
Okay.
You dip it in the soy sauce, chili, garlic, rice vinegar mixture, and you take some rice with it, and you just eat it all together. So it's like a combo. And then you take a sip of your Filipino beer, and then it's perfect.
All right.
Guys, look at the sky, that red little sheen.
This is why I come over here.
All right, cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, Nelly.
Sorry.
Cheers, miss.
Cheers.
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 Cheers, Nelly.
Cheers.
I didn't get Nelly in there. Oh, this is good. Something you got. Actual Filipino beer, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
Beer is always good in these places, like the Philippines. I had beer Lao, that was really good. Beer
I
was
drink
good in
beer when I
Thailand.
go international.
They have national beer in all of these places in the Southeast Asia and Micronesia and all these places. Really good.
So it looks like I invited the right people, because basically I just brought the food down here, then I just took the camera and everybody else is cooking and plating and
And burning themselves.
So easy. That was so easy.
Get a close up of this burnt spot. this little chicharron on my eye right here.
Workman's comp, baby. Yeah. Workman's comp. Ooh, I got a crunch.
It's good. It's always a good sign when you make friends with people that like to feed you. Right?
exactly.
That's
We
common.
appreciate that.
What do you guys have in common? Food. Oh, okay. Look at that. See chilies. See garlic. Oh my God. Mmm. Did a good job. Oh my God. I'm about to faint. It's so good. So here.
Look at those layers.
Nice.
Meat, and
You guys, this is amazing. Mmm. In Singapore,
really good.
Peking
You
duck.
good?
Yeah.
Wow.
You keep eating that until, forever. Really expensive. It's a show. It's like you're getting a dinner in a show. So he perfected and brewed, following over a century-old tradition of brewing excellence.
So here's a funny fact. Nelly and I actually usually don't drink beer. The exception is when we're in the Philippines or in Indonesia, we usually drink beer. Then also in Thailand, actually. So yeah, you could summarize when we're in Asia, we drink beer. So that's why I'm happy to have the San Miguel for this unique or authentic experience, actually. Because what I wanted to show you is this is why I love Miami so much. We have impeccable sunsets, even with really bad weather today. Again.
Oh my God.
This is what happens when you eat lechon. What is it called?
Kawali?
Kawali. This is what you have to do.
Oh!
Even crunches. Watch your head. Do bicycles.
Lechon, Philippines, 1945.
All right, guys, remember to hit like, remember to turn on notifications,
Subscribe.
thumbs up, very important, and comments. We like comments, all right?
Exactly. What should the comment?
Remember to comment which dish you would like the guys to prepare next time.
Yes, that's it. We got it.
And see.
I got a big stomach ache.
But wait, from the lechon or from the beer?
From the beer and the lechon. I ate a lot of pork. But, I'm Christian, so it's okay.
Exactly.
I hope this gets in the video.
It does. It will.
And, fat is good for you. A lot of people think that fat's not good for you, but it's actually good for you.
Exactly.
It's good for you here in Miami because, there's not anybody with any fat here. You're living amongst Instagrammers and vloggers, and they're way too body conscious. I think more people should be eating lechon. Forget about that. Look at this guy. You should be eating more lechon.
People in this building, what? Again, it's about you have to tell.
What are you making next?
What are we making next?
What is
I
he
don't
making?
know.
Sinigan.
Willie already said, comment below what we should make next.
Exactly.
The next thing that you might want to film for your viewers is goat bile soup. And I had it in San Diego at a place that was serving it like buffet style. It was National City, it was a Filipino restaurant, and it was goat bile soup and karaoke. End of story.